What's your excuse? Every day, you wake up with a choice: to be average or to be obsessed. No time, no energy. That's just a story you tell yourself to stay comfortable. Stop lying to yourself. Look in the mirror. You have everything you need, right here, right now. Discipline isn't a burden. It's your only option. It's the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Pain is temporary. It lasts for a minute, an hour, a day. But regret is forever. So get up, show up, grind. No excuses. Build that freedom mindset. Freedom mindset. Focus on your future. Subscribe now. Change your life. Your time is now. No excuses. Change your life. You said tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You wait for motivation. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Every morning you hit snooze. You kill your dream. Every excuse you make builds your failure. You say you're tired. Everyone is tired. You say it's hard. Good. It's supposed to be hard. Because easy doesn't build champions. Pain creates power. Struggle creates strength. So ask yourself, how long will you stay average? How long will you keep hiding? Wake up, take control, do the work. No shortcuts, no excuses. This is your life. Freedom Mindset. Subscribe now. Wake up. Every sunrise is a new beginning. No excuses. Your future is built on today's grind. Discipline is everything. It is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Your only limit is you. Success starts now. The world belongs to those who hustle. Unlock your true potential. The Freedom Mindset starts within. Subscribe to Freedom Mindset. Join our community and elevate your life.